nag-post naman sa Facebook account natin si Roland Belja. Ang sabi niya, James, as one of the big six, do you think it was unfair that during the time you were sick, you didn't have any contributions inside the Big Brother house?
I felt that it was unfair for my other housemates because I wasn't doing any tasks, any challenges, anything to prove that I should be in the Big Six. So it was hard for me.
Okay, thank you. We will move on. Ryan? Eto na. This is for you. Ay, wow, ah. You clean up good. Oh, eto na. The question is from Monique Cassette, na nag-post sa isa sa mga ating official PBB Twitter accounts. Ang question niya, Ryan, you said you have a Korean body but Filipino heart. How will you describe daw what are Filipinos like to fellow Koreans?
What?
You want me to rephrase the question?
Yes, I'm so sorry.
The question is, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. I love you.
I love you.
Okay, that's just my question. But you have to answer the question of this, of this fan.
No, what's the question?
This is the question. You listen very carefully, ha? Okay. How will you describe what are Filipinos like to fellow Koreans? How will you describe the Filipinos?
Yes.
Yes.
Korean heart are like this, very strong.
Very strong. What about the Filipino heart?
Filipino heart is like this.
So, okay. Yung sa Korean, yung shape talaga ng heart, like
Yeah, like this.
So medyo hard. Pagdating sa pusong Pinoy, it's really a heart.
Yeah, like this.
So you're saying, what you're trying to say is that Filipinos have more heart than
Yes.
Koreans. Okay. Very well said. Okay, maraming salamat sa inyong mga
Welcome.
kasagutan. Thank you. I will talk to you again later. Ha? Naway napakinggan kayo ng sambayanan. Nakakatuwa at yan po ang sagot ng ating Team Big Six sa inyong mga katanungan at sa lahat naman po na nag-post ng kanilang questions sa ngalan ni Kuya. Maraming salamat po. Ngayon narinig na natin ang Team Big Six. Mas alam niyo na ba kung sino ang inyong iboboto? Ilang minuto na nga lang ba, Mariel?
Thank you, Tony. Mga kapamilya, huwag kayong maging kampante because you only have 33 minutes left to vote. Kanina nga ay narinig natin ang mga taga-suporta ni Fritzy at saka ni Brett. Ngayon, pakinggan naman natin ang mga salubin ng mga taga-suporta ng dalawa pang team housemates. Narito, panoorin niyo lahat.
Housemate Devon, special ability. Activated. Strength.
Si Devon, tahimik. Sa puso niya, marami siyang gustong sabihin.
Siya ang dapat maging big winner.
Confirmed. Soldiers. Equipped. Siya na ba ang gusto mong maging team big winner? Sumanib na sa puwersa ni Housemate Devon to vote. Text BB space Devon and send to the following numbers. You've got the power to vote. Housemate James, special ability.
Baby James in the atmosphere.
Activated. Strength.
Should vote for James because he's a great guy. He's willing to learn new experiences. He deserves to win.
Confirmed.